Welcome to SmartLens AI News, your go-to channel for the latest updates in AI software, in-depth reviews of the best AI tools, and insightful analysis of their pros and cons. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve with expert insights and practical advice to navigate the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating world of AI-powered drones and how they're changing the skies. These innovative drones are equipped with cutting-edge AI technology, allowing them to perform tasks with unparalleled precision and efficiency. In the commercial sector, AI-powered delivery drones are revolutionizing logistics. They can navigate complex urban environments, ensuring fast and reliable delivery of packages right to your doorstep. In agriculture, AI drones monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even apply fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy. This technology is boosting crop yields and sustainability. AI-powered drones are also playing a crucial role in emergency response. They can quickly assess disaster zones, deliver medical supplies, and assist in search and rescue operations, saving lives when every second counts. For environmental monitoring, AI drones collect data on air quality, wildlife populations, and deforestation, providing vital information to researchers and policymakers. In the world of entertainment, AI drones are creating stunning aerial displays and capturing breathtaking footage, transforming the way we experience events and storytelling. The future of AI-powered drones is bright. As technology continues to advance, these drones will become even more capable, efficient, and integrated into our daily lives. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the skies with AI innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech updates from SmartLens AI.